guys, so today's story is A Tadpole Grows Up. As you know, we've been talking about transformation, right? Transformation, and that's a big word for change. And we're talking about changes that happen in nature. So we looked at butterflies, right? And we know that a butterfly goes from a caterpillar to a chrysalis and to a butterfly. So now we're going to look at tadpoles. And tadpoles grow into do you know? Let's see if we can find out from in the story. So this story is called A Tadpole Grows Up, and it's by Melvin and Gilda Berger, just like our caterpillar book. Do you know this little animal? This little animal is a tadpole. Did you know tadpoles are sometimes called pollywogs? A tadpole grows up to be a frog. So tadpoles transform into frogs. In spring, mother frogs lay their eggs in water. So caterpillars lay their eggs on a leaf, but frogs lay their eggs in water. The eggs are covered with a clear jelly. The eggs grow in the water. They soon become tiny tadpoles. Tadpoles live in water. Did you know tadpoles breathe underwater like fish? So baby frogs can breathe underwater just like a fish. Each one looks like a little fish. So these are tadpoles, not fish. A young tadpole has a big head and long, strong tail. Did you know a tadpole's head and tail are joined together? That's why they look like a fish. At first, the tadpole holds onto plants with its mouth. Then it uses its mouth for feeding. Or for eating, sorry. Soon, the tadpoles grow 2 back legs. So now it's starting to grow legs. Next, it grows 2 front legs. Starting to look like a frog. The tadpole's tail grows shorter. The tadpole is slowly changing into a frog. Another word for changing, it is transforming, like transformation. The frog now climbs out of the water. Did you know the change from tadpole to frog is called metamorphosis? That's another big word for change. Metamorphosis. It begins to breathe air. So now instead of breathing underwater, it could breathe on land. Did you know frogs have lungs for breathing just like we do? So we breathe in and out with our lungs, and now they do too. It's a part of their body, just like it's a part of ours. The frogs live on land and in water. Did you know frogs have webbed feet for swimming? So instead of their feet being separate like our feet, they're stuck together. Right? They're stuck together. Some frogs are big. Some frogs are little. And they come in many colors. Look, that one's red, blue, black and yellow, green, polka dots, all different kinds of frogs. Frogs jump and hop. They catch insects and small animals. Oh, it's about to eat the bug. Some frogs spend the winter in the ground. They lay their eggs when the spring comes. The end. So that's the transformation from a tadpole to a frog.